Here's Curry. Third year at a Duke. And the teardrop by Koufos.
He got some offensive skill. You know, obviously he's a guy that...
And they lead at 10-6. Curry with Price going to the steal. Beautiful no-look pocket pass.
Yeah, he put it on immediately. He got rid of Benoit Benjamin, who was a plotting type center. And he brought in Sam Perkins at 6'9" that could play center and stretch the defense. That's the kind of guy that he likes.
Should make all rookie first team. Here is Koufos getting the seven.
They got that size in there. He and Stein.
TJ hauled it in again, and the bounce for Curry.
Tremendous shot.
Scoring would go for Teletovic. Curry up the ladder. Showing some stuff. Curry, nice bounce pass to AC.
He rolls it in. He did roll it in, didn't he? I didn't think he...
Into Koufos, here's the whistle, it counts, and we'll go to the line for a three-point play. We would have slid somebody over.
No.
Not easy to fill your shoes.
I would love for you to have done both.
Like the old days. Well, I did hockey by myself. Ryan Price allows Curry to stick it through.
That was pretty.
Seth Curry, who replaced Kyrie Irving at Duke. Curry with the flip shot and the foul. You know, and look at the headband.
Here's the thing with Seth Curry, and this is for young players to understand. It's always tough to follow a brother.
Irv. Here's Gay. Puts it in. 54-47. Sweet pick from Koufos. And passes it to Kocha. Two-man game. Curry and Koufos. Curry. Pretty off the window.
Curry was ready for Ronnie Price to try to sneak in.
Nice pass to Koufos.
So we talked about rotating, right? The Suns really not doing a strong job of rotating. They're allowing Curry to get so deep that before you get there, he's finding those big guys for easy dunks.
How about Curry yet? He's got a double-double. 10 assists. John Lure going second, also 7th in steals. There's Seth Curry with that stroke for three. What a night he's having. His first career double-double. Career high 10 assists, 13 points. Koufos gets the friendly roll.
Man, he just threw that up there, but with a soft touch.
Koufos has 17 points. Curry, whoa! That looks familiar.
Yeah.
That's a family trait. Here is Booker. Can't get it to go. That hit everything at the bottom of the net. Look out, here's Booker. Read it perfectly. Puts it up. Runs into a three. They'll take a look at it.
Yeah, he's smiling now. He has it going.
18 coming off the 20-point game. Alex Leonard, Sam Jones. Behind the back, Curry to Stein. Whoa.
He's putting on the show now. I mean, look, the Suns got to get in front of him and slow him down.
The Golden State Warriors. There's a steal by Seth Curry. What a night he's having. Oh, the alley-oop to Cauley Stein, the trailer on the play.
Curry's having a career night here. And look, he obviously has motivation. I mean, the Suns had him, you know, and he played here. He knows these guys, and it's that old home feeling I always talk about, right? Guy coming back with a deep
three. Man, and back to him. Seth Curry, the screen, and roll. Gay fires and hits.
Offensively.
18 points, 15 assists, looking for more, and he gets the friendly roll. And a whistle as well. And they're calling a foul.